If a girl has left your life and you want her back, I usually don't believe in trying to bring someone back or give advice on it. But since this is a concern, I am making this video on how to handle it, which will bring peace and relief to your life. Today, I will talk about what to do when the girl has left, is not answering calls, does not reply to messages, does not pay attention, shows no interest, and gives no value. Earlier, she used to give all her time, but now what's happening? This is what the girl is doing, sending repeated messages to annoy someone. If they don't answer the phone or reply to messages, getting angry if they don't respond, giving sarcastic remarks when they finally talk, agreeing immediately to meet when asked, going above and beyond to make arrangements. If they answer the phone, then bothering them excessively. Let's see what happens as a result. When you facilitate someone too much, they become arrogant. Their mind soars high. Excess of anything diverts the human mind elsewhere, and effort goes where attention is needed and not where it's not. This is how our mind works. Facing the same behavior repeatedly makes one angry. They either express it towards you or stop talking to you. They feel like you are sticking to them like gum, so they try in every way to remove that gum. If they get bored, they look for something new. Extraordinary things can distract her, so to refocus her attention on you, I will share some patterns. This happens because of emotional weakness, as you struggle to control your emotions, leading the other person to become fed up. Here's what you should do in such situations. 1. Don't get angry or taunt her. This is crucial. No matter what she does, even if it's something you've never tolerated before, you must stay calm. 2. Don't call or message her yourself. When you realize she's ignoring you and not paying attention, avoid initiating contact. You might wonder how to re-establish contact without reaching out first. The key is to treat her mind, not just her actions. If she sends a message or calls, respond after 5, 6 hours. Keep your reply brief. Use fewer words than she did. For example, if she used 70 words, your response should be around 30 words. Waiting and giving her space will make her think about you, no matter how busy she is. If she reaches out after a gap, it means her attention is on you. If you respond immediately, she'll feel you're still in the same place where she left you, just waiting for her to contact you. Giving her space improves many things in such situations. For specific occasions like birthdays, you can simply wish her, but keep it minimal. Happy birthday, just that, no fancy emojis or over the top messages. A simple acknowledgement to maintain a connection without showing excessive concern. It ensures the other person doesn't feel you're upset or ignoring them. Point 4. Avoid people connected to them. If you used to meet them 3 or 4 times a week, cut it down. This reduces mental stress for you. If you're in a gathering and their name comes up, just listen without making comments about them being good or bad. Point 5. Carry your emotions but stay positive. Negative thoughts only drain you. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones for better energy and focus. This positive energy will help you focus on yourself and your work. It also makes a good impression, showing you're emotionally strong and self-focused. Point 6. If you see them with someone else, don't react. Smile and continue with your work. In social settings, maintain this composure. You'll see the positive impact of this behavior soon.